In this challenge review, we're going to build the physics scene setup. So I'm actually going to delete my physics scene here, and we're going to start over from scratch. So I'm going to go back to our sample scene. The first thing we need to do is create a new scene by going to File, New Scene, and we'll create that scene. If I Control S, we can save that scene, and we'll call this physics level. Now that we have our physics level set, the first thing we need to do is create our floor, which I'm going to create a plane out of. So here's our plane. I'll rename it to floor. Set the position to 0, 0, 0. And then I'm going to move it on the forward so that it looks pretty good here. Okay, so we got our floor. And now that we have it, we need to create a cube for that little ramp. And I'm going to position that, let's say, down here. So if I select it, let's rename it to cube again. Now with that object selected, hold down V. I'm going to vertex snap it to the floor. All right, and we're going to move it to about here. Now to create a ramp out of this, I had to stretch it. So we need to use the scale tool. So I can use the scale tool here, or alternatively, I can just adjust it. So I'm going to set it to, let's say, 3 on the X, 0.1 on the Y, and I'm pretty happy with that. From there, I just simply rotate it. I can rotate it along that Z axis, and now we have a ramp. I'm going to go ahead and position it down. So here's our ramp. And then the other part of this is now we need our sphere, which is going to act as our ball. So I create a sphere, and I'm going to set that to 0, 0, 0. The only thing I need to be able to do now is I need to make sure that the sphere actually is above that, because we're going to make it drop eventually. So I'm going to vertex snap it to this object. And then from there, I can go ahead and reposition align it. And here we go. So now it's directly over it, it's in the air a bit, and now we have our physics demo set up. I'll see you guys in the next video.